Hey guys, good morning. Today we'll see Spring 25 Administrative Certification Maintenance. Right, so we have two units. Right, the first one is a multiple choice, and second one is water. So we have to create a permission set. Right, so let's see the first one. So they given multiple choice questions. Right, we have three questions. Right, so let's see one by one. Right, so where can permission set be added to a permission set group, where from the permission set summary, right, from the permission set a group summary, from the user record, right, where for both A and B, right, so the permission set summary and the permission set a group summary, right, so select D as the option. Next, to sort the list views on object homepage, right, so what's the maximum number of columns that can be selected? Think mostly five, right? So we'll see. We can select the five columns. Here, five, right? The next one. So which scenario illustrate a valid use case for sales action plans? A sales action plan contains 150 tasks and is tracked in one strategic tracker. Next, two sales action plans each contains 10 tasks and two events are tracked one strategic tracker, right? So one account plan objective contains 100 tasks is tracked four strategic tracker sections, right? So four account plan objectives are tracked in one strategic tracker. We'll go for B. We'll go for B, right? The first one is D, and second one is C, and third one is B, right? Let me check this. Yes, right. So we completed the first part, that is a quiz, right? So now we can go for hands-on practice. See here, the hands-on with a view all fields permission. What's that? A view all fields permissions, right? So we have to create a permission set, right? Oh, this one is too small this time. Okay, see here, gets hands-on enabling the view all fields object permission, right? So create a new permission set, view account fields, right? So view accounts fields the label and the API name and the description. It enable view all fields permissions on the account object, right? Assign the permission to the user record, right? Like, okay. So let me launch this playground, right? I'm launching this playground. Okay. So what I have to do, I need to create a permission set, right? Go to the setup, go to the setup and go to the permission set, go to the permission sets, click on new permission set. See here, we have new permission set now. Click on new permission set. Next, label. So what's the label? View account fields, right? This is the label. And API name, view account fields. That's okay. And the description, permission to access all account fields, right? This is the description, right? Then click on here, save button. Right, we created a permission set. Now, see here, for the account object, right, so we have to provide view all permissions, right? Now come here, right, see we have object settings option is there, na? Select the object settings, select the object settings, and we have the first one is accounts. Click on that account object name, Now we have edit option is there. Na? Click on this edit. So what we have to do, we need to check, right, enable view all fields. See here. So view all fields option is there na here, right? I need to enable this. Just check this checkbox. That's it. Then after, click on save button. Click on save button. Clear? Right. And then after, here we have manage assignments is there. Manage assignments. Click on that manage assignments. Click on that manage assignments. In the top right, we have a add assignment option is there. Click on that add assignment. Now here you have to select the user, right? Whatever the current user you log in, right? So check that user, then click on here. In the bottom right, we have next button is there. Na? Click on that next button and click on that assign. Bottom right, assign. That's it, right? So one assignment was successfully got it. See, right? So whatever the view all permissions on account object, we assign to the user. Clear? Right. And then after, see here, check this challenge. Click on this, check this challenge. Done. So we successfully completed Spring 25 Administration Certification Maintenance. Thank you. Bye. So please subscribe to this channel, right? You will get more informative videos related to the Salesforce. Thank you.